treatments and Georgian window treatments. And this is from this Borhan Hall in Kirori. These are pretty with the arch. Oh, this is also pretty. I want that in my house. Babe, I want this.
They literally put horsehair in it to hold it. It's so itchy.
Real horsehair?
Yeah, when you're doing demolition, that's the most itchy thing ever.
Yeah. Worse than fiberglass?
Yes.
Really? Never even heard about it. All the tools.
See these balusters?
Heinz tomato ketchup. Have they been around for so long? Okay, that was the only thing I recognized. Jello. Oh, Hershey's, yeah. Baking chocolate. Oh, this is fun.
3 for 25 cents.
They have one of those Coca-Cola at TJ Maxx. Hi folks.
Hello.
So most of them are basically chocolate. Oh, Reese's cup. Wow. Peanut butter cups. That is cool. Licorice. And spicy one.
Victory Gardens. So that means even in town here, we're digging up our flower gardens and trying to grow green beans and carrots.
Hi, little buddy. You say hi to the camera. Oh, there we go. Can you go upstairs? Are you coming? So the Jackson house was built 1790. You can still see the wallpaper. The Shapiro house. Yeah. So this was a Jewish community. This is really cute. The Aldrich house. Okay. It's closed. A hula hoop in wood. So this is the Chase house. Yellow, pretty.
Hello.
I know that there's like no electricity back then, but they could have put up some lights, right? It looks so dark. Yeah, look at the paint walls and the green. It's actually coming back, that color. Like mint green. Big fireplace. What it actually cooked back then. I love the red fabrics. The red fabrics.
Oh, the wainscoting is.
Let me know if you want to know anything.
Yeah, details in the molding and around the fireplace. It's totally different.
It is.
And all the gold detail as well on the frames are so cute. The child's cotton dress.
This is nice. This one's probably my favorite so far.
Yeah, this one is definitely the best one. Oh, even the fireplace is pink.
No, the next one's the best one. Oh, I like the column detail there too.
This one doesn't have the spiral, the design change. Here is when the spiral starts.
Wife, Sarah Goodwin. Now your ticket is good for 2 days.
Yep.
So you will come back tomorrow at 10?
She has to work.
I'm working.
Unfortunately.
Okay.
So this is sure from 1974. Dress, marble. The little hat. I love it.
Top hat.
Yeah. That sheer is cool. Oh. So silk brocade dress. Brocade. Pink walls. Beautiful molding. Oh, did you see the gold detail above the windows?
Oh, yeah. Missed that.
Looks a little
Stained glass.
purple and green if you look very close. Yeah, it's hard to see, but yeah, definitely.
Yeah, look at this door too. Oh, it's a birthday party.
Ah. Oh, it looks very small. How many gallons could that be?
7.
Okay.
That's my guess.
Block maker. So colorful. that supposed to be like a washing machine or a boiler?
Look at
That thing in there.
where?
The thing in
Washing
there.
machine? Maybe. Look at they have Ritz crackers. That's what we had on the fish.
Oh, Ritz. Cornflakes.
Fantastic, great. I like a good executive decision.
It's in your bag.
Pretty.